Friends, in this lecture we'll learn elementary statistics. We'll start with the summary statistics. Statistics is a tool where you can have analysis of your data with various calculations and operations like correlation, regressions, ANOVA, mean, median, mode, standard deviations and all that. So we'll start with the summary statistics, and for that we have to enable a analysis tool pack for the statistics. To enable that we have to go to file and click on options and then add-ins. In the add-ins you can see in here lower bottom corner there is an option called Excel add-in. Click on go. The form opens up. In this form check on analysis tool pack. If you are already having a right check on this analysis tool pack, just keep it right only and press OK. On this data tab, this data analysis link comes up. You click on this data analysis and forms open up. That forms contains the various functions of analysis tool packs like calculating ANOVA single factor, ANOVA two-way ANOVA, correlation, covariance and all. Here our interest is of descriptive stats to calculate the summary. Click on descriptive statistics and say OK. A form comes over descriptive statistics and it is asking for input range. For that input range, select your column B. Click on the top and select the whole column B. And after that there is an option called label in the first row. So you have to identify that the data that you have selected contains the label of the row or the column. So we'll click on label in the first row, and this actually is a column and it is grouped by, you see here columns has been already by default selected. Now click on the output range and click inside the cell where you have to put the out range, and after that click on D4. Question is saying that you have to select it from D4, so click on D4. The D4 appears up here and then check summary statistics and OK. Now see all summary data is appearing up here. It is like average transaction value as a heading. Then you can say mean, median, mode, standard deviation, count. There are 14 branches, bank branches that we are talking about, and it has given us the average. That the mean of average transaction is 19, standard error is this, median is this, mode is 21. The maximum transaction that appears is $21 million per day. Then standard deviation and all. And in the coming days of statistics we are going to learn all these basic functions, and then we'll do advanced Excel. We'll learn the advanced analysis tools like ANOVA, MANOVA, correlation, regression and others.